So here we have a Kenmore sewing machine. It works mechanically, no problem. The aesthetics of it could be better. It has some, like, I don't know if this is varnish or paint. It has some light scratches on it. It's mostly on this side. The other side is better. It's a pretty basic sewing machine from Kenmore. This is the brand. This is the Sears brand. And it has I think, yeah, 5 stitches and like button functions as well. This is like for regulating the length. I don't know, I think it moves this. Yeah, there we go. And this is the length of when you're like doing buttons and whatnot. The bobbin, engage, disengage, and it plugs over here, on, off. It has all the screws. This is for air to come in. This is the Sears brand and model. This side is in better shape than the front. It has the original cover for the accessories, this one, and the cover for transporting as well. I'm not sure if it's the original. The pedal, and I don't have accessories for it. This is for taking a look at the moving parts. The light bulb works. I'm not gonna touch it because I'm probably gonna leave some grease from my finger. Not that I have greasy hands. Everybody has grease on the skin. This is the reverse. So I'm gonna show how it works. I'm gonna leave this open. So this is the pedal. I'm just pressing it. I'm doing it slow first, so you can check out the bottom. Sorry, the back, not the bottom, is spinning as well. So if I do it good press, you're gonna hear it, the power of this baby beast. So let's engage the bobbin. The presser foot is there. I'm gonna stop because my wife is working. Yeah, this is the reverse, as I said. It works good. Like I said, could use some TLC on the front for removing this stain or paint, but other than that, there's no problems with it. The traveling case, it's simple as well. It's just like a simple briefcase. You just put this over this lever and just press this one to the bottom, and it will engage it, and you will be able to pick it up with the base as well. So that's cool to have. And checking to see if I miss anything. I think that's pretty much it. Of course, the handle. It works. You can just pull it. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions, and check out my other vintage electronics. Thank you.